So today I seen this G8 twin cycling bicycle here in GHMC Cycling Club. Recently they introduced, I think so, it is not yet opened also, but somewhere in Palapitta Park it is been started for public. They are charging 170 rupees per hour. They're in Palapitta Park, Kondapur, opposite to Botanical Garden. Here they may fix the price soon. So if anybody interested for twin cycling, for any couples or any siblings, friends, you can utilize this feature here. Hi all, very good morning. Today is Saturday. So I started my day with walking and cycling. Today my track is in and around Central University, Hyderabad Central University. So while passing through by cycling to Hyderabad Central University, I just going by this Gachibowli Stadium. This is one and only very huge exclusive stadium for sports, all kind of sports you can have here. So one fine day we'll plan to step into this stadium also. I'll do a vlog here also soon. I have a plan. So this is the entrance to Hyderabad Central University campus, and this is towards to Gachibowli Crossroads. I just took a break here while doing cycling. So let's move on. So this is one of the view in Hyderabad Central University campus. So this is the Hyderabad Central University main entrance. Very beautiful for cycling, walking, jogging, for anything. I just found this sports studio, Supreme Sports Studio, trampoline. Here, opposite to Hyderabad Central University. I don't know what exactly it is. Maybe it's in sports equipments mall or any coaching institute or academy. There it written as badminton academy. We'll see sometime to walking into it. So I just completed this Hyderabad Central University campus. Cycle ride. I will go back to the cycling club now. Let's move on. Hi. Just now completed my cycling in Central University roads. Sorry, I couldn't shoot much views in university because of time constraint. Usually I wake up early by 5 o'clock during weekends, but today I woke up late by 1 hour, so that is the reason I didn't find much time for cycling and exploring through cycling. So anyway, I could capture a little, so that's why I'm posting the available video here. Just this is the cycling club where I retained my cycling, rented cycling. So after that, just I'm having a walk in this little space in Gachibowli. So I do wanted to share some experience about Central University during our college days. So when actually my graduation happened in APRDC, Andhra Pradesh Residential College, Kurnool. Actually, it's like an reputed one and only residential college. Of course, we do have one more residential college in Nagarjuna Sagar also. AP, the United AP that time in 2001, between 2001 to 4, when my graduation completed. Total United AP has only 2 colleges, residential degree colleges. That means it's like APR JC and APR S residential school and residential intermediate college. Likewise, it's a residential degree college. So people will come throughout the state by entrance test into it. So that time it was every graduate's dream to step into Hyderabad Central University. That's an topmost university in our country, one of the topmost university. So even my dream was like to complete MA English in Central University, but later on I took some other decision and I came to completely into commerce field. So that was experience during my college days. So instead of having studies in Central University, now I came to explore by cycling in that university. Anyways, it was nice experience. At least we are here now, right? So just wanted to share this experience. Anyway, thank you one and all. Have a great day. Happy weekend. Bye-bye. Sorry, I forgot to mention my college name, APRDC. Okay, college name is Silver Jubilee Government Degree College, located in Kurnool. So it's a very big institution that was established after 25 years of independence by the government by passing a separate bill in Parliament that time. So very much proud of being a student in that college that time. I just found this here in Shilpakala Vedika, Shilparam. It's in Lokamanthan Bhaginagar 2024 event. I think yesterday itself our President of India, Honorable Draupadi Murmu, inaugurated this event. I just inquired here with the members, saying they are all representing all the cultures of different religions and all, I think so. Their cultures and everything they are representing here. And also they are exhibiting some items also which represent their culture and all. So they also has some stalls for shopping beside to this Shilpakala Vedika. If you find some time, you may visit this